Identify the process shown in the color plate. So we have a 4-step procedure here. There is some medicament or a membrane or some kind of a delivery system. Okay, so this one is the point number 1. So this is what it looks like. Gauging the size, it is not very large. Okay, it is a small kind of a chip placed in between teeth which have recession, as we can see. So all these points are important. You need to see the images more clearly so that you understand. This gives us a hint of the indication of this process. Okay, so it is important that we understand that clearly. The packaging is important. The clinical scenario is important where it is being used, and that's how we are going to answer the question. Now, if you look at the option, they are very confusing. Placing a membrane barrier, placing a perio chip, placing doxycycline, minocycline. It could be either of these. See, doxycycline, minocycline are also medicaments. Membrane barrier is not an option because here there is no surgical procedure involved. Firstly, there is nothing surgical. There is no flap. Okay, it is through the sulcus epithelium, through the pocket. So it is definitely some kind of LDD or a local drug delivery system. It could be a periochip, it could be doxycycline or minocycline. So how do we rule this out? For that, we need to see these images in the standard textbooks. This specific image is there in the latest edition of Carranza in the 13th edition, and it is given as periochip. Doxycycline and minocycline is not periochip. Periochip is nothing but chlorhexidine gluconate. Okay, so this is indicated in patients after scaling and root planing to reduce the bacterial accumulation or reduce the inflammation in the pocket in adults specifically. So this is a slow drug delivery system or a local drug delivery system. The size of a periochip is 4 by 5 by 0.35 millimeters. It contains 2.5 milligrams of active chlorhexidine gluconate. Now, the reason that we are highlighting on this point is because the size, the concentration, the content are themselves important as question. Periochip is repeatedly asked in exam, so we need to know these specifically. It is resorbable in a biodegradable matrix of gelatin that is cross-linked with gluteryl dehydrose, hydrolyzed and packaged in an individual foil container. Okay, so the foil container is also important. It is stored at 20 to 25 degrees Celsius and it is placed into the pocket directly from the foil container using forceps. So as we can see in the image, it is directly placed. A membrane would require a flap, a surgical procedure, and then it has to be secured back properly. Whereas a periochip, which is seen in this image, is 4 by 5 by 0.35 millimeters in dimension and it is placed directly into the pocket after scaling and root planing.